What happened here? How come this is so raw?
I seared hot. It's just a matter of time. We only
Matter of time, man.
Yeah.
You should have had these in right away.
You're right, chef. I'm worried that we might be in trouble.
See? That's raw. You see that right here?
Yes, chef.
Because of the global shutdown, restaurateurs like Alvin, Claudio, and myself have had to find a way to bring the restaurant to the people instead of the people to the restaurant.
Food delivery was already an important trend in our industry. Now it's become a lifeline.
So, with that, welcome to MasterChef Canada for you.
It's our own personal food delivery app.
Oh, it's okay.
Cool. Takeout and delivery is the new norm. Giving people high-quality food delivered to their home is just the next level in the food game.
Teams, your first step is coming up with a concept.
We stocked a specialty pantry with amazing ingredients to inspire you.
Each virtual restaurant needs to offer 3 entrees.
Okay.
Wow.
One should be protein forward, 1 vegetable forward, and 1 starch forward.
Your customers will rate their meal out of 5 stars. The team with the highest average rating will win.
Wow.
You have 1 hour until your MCC for you goes live.
Holy moly.
Our app has been given to 260 select diners throughout the city. Half of these customers will have access to the blue menu and the other half to the red menu. They'll be notified as soon as we launch, and we'll have 90 minutes to place their orders.
I want Asian tropical flavors.
May, as our captain, is taking the lead on our concept. We go tropical Asian. I like the idea. I think the merge of the two is going to be delicious.
So we are going to do a jerk chicken wings. It's a comfort food. They're delicious, and they also travel well.
Second dish, do we want something that's carb heavy?
Something unexpected, though. Nothing easy like rice.
Yes,
No.
No, let's do a soba noodle salad.
There's your protein in there, or?
Yeah, let's do pork tenderloin.
Yeah.
Like,
Seared
that's
pork?
nice seared.
Sauce, I can sear that up real nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I think this cold soba noodle salad is a good option because it's all pre-done. All you need to do is put a little bit of pork on top and dress it.
Then our third one, it has to be, let's do a veggie, right?
I think big fat portobello mushrooms in like a taco.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, the mushroom taco.
When I hear we're doing tacos, it just seems a bit strange to me. It's also food delivery, and when you have to assemble 3 tacos, that's a lot to execute.
So taco, noodle, chicken wings.
But it's what we're going to do.
Okay, I'm really excited to pump this out.
This is gonna be delicious.
You guys, how are you doing? Feeling
Fantastic, chef.
good? Being a team leader, it's your job to make sure that everyone knows what they're doing and everyone is able to accomplish the tasks that you're giving them. Andrew's going to be working on the pork with the sauce and the portobello mushrooms, and then I have Barry working all the veg,
Give me a cutting board and a knife. I'm good.
and Andre's working on the chicken wings.
Right now I have the gochujang, I have my jerk spice, and lots of garlic.
I really want to combine my flavors and May's Asian flavors to make the best sauced wings.
Jen, if I can get you to start peeling me some garlic? Yes, ma'am. I put Jen as a floater because she's just a real workhorse and a real hustler in the kitchen. You guys got the cabbage, red onion, carrots, cucumber.
Yes. May's leadership style is great. She's very forward, so I'm really happy to have her as a team captain.
Barry, use the mandolin on those. I want it really thin.
I'm not trusted. The mandolin we've got is, you want it thinner than this?
I do want it thinner than that.
Okay.
I think the most important aspect of working in a team environment is to function as a unit.
I just don't trust this mandolin a lot.
I am a little bit worried about Barry. Barry is very sure of himself, but based off of the last pressure test, he showed that he doesn't really perform well under pressure.
Hey, does that look like 40?
No, we need way more than that, Barry. And in a team challenge, you're only as strong as your weakest link.
Did anybody see brown sugar in the pantry?
There's brown sugar right here for you.
Thank you.
So since MasterChef, I have left my professional job and started cooking full-time as a line cook. After doing that for 2 years, I started my own little dumpling business. I'm really here just because I want to show how far I've grown.
Hey, May, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing well? So tell me, what is your concept?
So our menu is tropical Asian. So we're gonna be doing like a gochujang jerk chicken wing with cabbage slaw, and then we're gonna do a soba noodle salad with pork tenderloin that is glazed with pineapple hoisin. Then with our vegetarian forward dish, we're gonna do a mushroom taco marinated in a soy-based sauce, maybe a little bit of honey in there.
Sounds delicious.
Sounds like three very creative and innovative dishes that sound like they fit the concept really well.
Thank you, Chef.
Good luck.
The heat's on.
Thank you.
10 minutes! In 10 minutes, the app goes live.
That's the sound?
Nice sear, buddy.
I have plenty of experience with the takeout because this is what I've been doing since the pandemic started. At my restaurant, we've had to close our doors. We reverted to a takeout model and we do online ordering. We got more busy and we supported staff. People that were worried about their jobs, I got to protect my people. I was so proud of that. I'm still proud of that. Oh yeah, baby.
Guys, if someone's free, please start setting up like plating stations.
The time is going so fast in this kitchen right now, and I have 8 pork tenderloins on the go.
Andrew, how you doing?
I'm good, Chef. I'm just a little hustling right now because I'm behind on my pork.
Can I take a little quick look here?
Please do.
Can you flip it over?
Yeah.
Okay, they're
Yes,
still
Chef.
raw.
Yes, Chef. They're just
Like,
sub-medium
feel that,
rare.
feel that. What happened here? How come they're so raw?
I seared hot. It's just a matter of time. We only
Matter of time, man.
Yeah.
You should have had these in right away.
You're right, Chef. I'm worried that we might be in trouble.
See, that's raw. You see that right here?
Yes, Chef.
Everybody ready?
Yeah, everyone's ready.
Okay.
Let's all just support each other, you guys. We'll figure it out. We got all our stations set up. We were prepared. We're ready to dish out these bowls. We're ready. Yeah, we're ready. Come on, orders.
The MCC app goes live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's live!
We're going, guys. We're live.
All right, guys, I'm going to be calling out orders, okay? All right, new order. 1 chicken wings, 2 noodle salad.
Got it.
Yes,
All right.
Chef. The most important aspect of running a really efficient service is you gotta be on it. You gotta move like lightning.
All right, new order. 1 chicken wings, 1 mushroom taco.
Yes, Andrew.
I have Andrew expediting because he has tons of experience. He does this almost every day. He can keep all these orders organized.
Guys, we need real quick turnaround on these orders, okay?
Yeah.
As soon as they start piling in, we are going to be in trouble.
See, now it's about to get real in this kitchen. Unlike a restaurant, when those orders start coming in through the app system, they happen all at once. You do not have a staged reservation system. It happens like a tidal wave.
And that is so challenging to work with because people do not want to wait for their food. They want to get it as fast as they can. It needs to be delivered in as pristine a condition as possible.
All right, the first courier is here for pickup. Come on, get that food out now.
That's great. That's perfect. My strategy is to ground myself in what I know. This is a regular Wednesday for me in my restaurant.
Each one of these orders are going to receive a San Pellegrino mineral water.
3 San Pellegrino, please. Order up.
2 orders up.
First order done.
The MCC for You couriers have begun their deliveries, and orders are making their way across the city.
Hi.
Delivery from MCC for You.
Thank you.
Customers will soon find out if the red and blue team's menus deliver on flavor.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you, guys.
The judges will now taste the blue team's meat entree, gochujang jerk chicken wings with cabbage slaw.
Portion size, I would have tried to maybe fill the box a little bit more.
The wings are actually quite good. The flavor profile is interesting, deep flavor, very welcoming.
You know, for me, when you advertise jerk chicken, I'm expecting a bit of spice. You got the Asian flavors, but I'm missing the Caribbean side.
You know, guys, there's a lot of wings being offered out there.
To stand out, they have to be sensational.
1 chicken wings, 2 noodle salad.
Yes, Andrew.
2 mushroom tacos all day, okay, Jen?
Heard that. We have a great system going on. Everyone has their delegated jobs. I'm building the tacos. It is time consuming, so I need to be moving lightning fast.
New order, 2 chicken wings, 1 noodle salad, 1 mushroom taco.
Yes, Andrew. Here's 1 chicken wing.
Andrew.
Thank you.
Andrew is amazing at expediting. He's keeping us so organized.
I appreciate that May trusts me enough to let me expedite, but it would be nice as the team captain for her to check in. Noodle salad, how long?
Just give me a minute. 1 minute.
Looks like Andrew is the new leader.
Order up. I feel like May should be doing the soba noodles and overseeing everybody. Even though I'm expediting, doesn't mean I'm the leader. New order, 2 chicken wings, 1 taco, 2 drinks.
Got it.
Heard, Andrew.
Guys, I got lots more orders just coming in.
5 wings right in front of you.
Thank you.
The orders are coming in like one after the other.
Andrew, I got 4 soba noodles for you right here.
Thank you.
Finish an order, we got 2 more. Finish that order, 3 more. So it's just crazy.
We have a lot of tacos, guys. I'll give you an all-day count on those. 2 mushroom tacos, 4 mushroom tacos, 6 mushroom tacos, 8 mushroom tacos all day. Just build tacos all day long. Just build tacos, yeah.
So I'm building the tacos. They take forever to make.
There's like 5 ingredients on each taco, and you have to go like this, 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 this. 1 taco. We're behind. The orders are stacking up. Just keep building mushroom tacos. That's our slow point.
We knew it would be. I've learned in kitchens that you never say I told you so or I knew it. But shouldn't have done the taco.
And you get things done, get it out, okay?
We have a hold on tacos. All this, nothing can go until I have tacos.
You should not have a hold on tacos, okay?
Yes, that's
Come
right,
on,
Chef.
it
You're
should
right,
all
you're
go
right.
out
Thank
at
you.
once.
Guys, we're gonna need help at Taco Station if you have free time.
Coming up.
I'm starting to take a little more control now, and I'm moving people off other stations to the taco station. I need 2 more.
Working.
Coming.
We have to move quickly because it's not going to slow down. There you go, homie.
Thank you. Order up.
The judges will now taste the blue team's vegetable entree, portobello mushroom tacos with bok choy and pickled radish.
I mean, this is not what I would call a very compelling taco.
The filling inside does not carry enough strength in the flavor to make this dish balanced.
You know what? I love the mushroom. It's got that sort of meaty steak texture to it. I like the mushroom a lot.
I mean, each individual component actually tastes not bad. I feel nice acidity coming from the bok choy. And you know, I never thought of using bok choy as a slaw, and it's a good idea.
I think overall the dish needs some salt and it needs a hit of chili and some acid. And it would have been a much more elevated dish.
Don't go too ham sandwich on the mushrooms because we're running low.
New order, 2 noodle salad, 1 mushroom taco.
Heard.
We are running low on bok choy.
And I have no more slaw.
Both teams are running out of food. Are they? Big time.
Barry, we start chopping up some more bok choy.
some quick.
At the halfway mark, we are slowly running out of certain things.
I'm gonna need more mushrooms like as fast as possible.
So we need to start prepping a little bit more ingredients. Salad, bok choy, mushrooms.
Do we have another grill pan?
The judges will now taste the blue team's noodle entree, soba noodle salad with pork tenderloin and a pineapple miso dressing.
Looks very inviting.
My first impression is amazing. I love the flavors in that dressing.
Miso, the sesame oil, a lot of umami.
I also love those little bursts of pineapple in there. I think it's very whimsical, it's playful, really well done.
It is packed full of flavor. It is the kind of thing that you could eat more and more of it. It really is delicious and delightful.
The only thing missing for me, it needs a bit of heat. Right now, it's a very delicious Asian dish. Lots of good component, lots of good flavor. But Caribbean's heat, that's what I would add it. A little bit of chili.
I feel this is a very well executed, strong dish. I'd reorder this again.
2 noodle salad up.
Let's go, we got literally 30 seconds now. Get it on, get it up.
Pushing, we're getting it out.
Come on, guys. Hustle
go,
it
let's
out.
go.
Let's go.
As fast as you can, Jen, fast as you can.
Hustle, hustle, hustle.
5, 4, 3,
Order
2,
up.
1. Time's up.
Another great challenge.
Yeah. So proud of us.
My dogs are barking.
Congratulations, cooks. You survived the onslaught of fine dining food to go.